Konnichiwa Falcons, I am Chef Alessandro. This is Chef Nicholas. Today we will be covering some safety do's and don'ts with our signature fried rice recipe. Let's begin.
Alright, these are our ingredients: cooked rice, green sprouts, scallions, and eggs.
We also have some carrots, garlic powder, traditional soy sauce, diced ham, butter, and a red onion. Before I start, I'm gonna wash my hands. It is important to wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap. This is to prevent food contamination. Make sure to never use a dirty towel when you are finished washing your hands, to avoid bacterial contamination from said dirty towel.
Make sure to keep foods like eggs in the refrigerator to prevent spoilage.
Make sure to never cut without a rag under your cutting board. Adding a rag will add stability to your cutting.
Make sure to always wash the produce to take off all the dirty bacteria. First, we're gonna cut off the scallions for the fried rice. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the carrot. Make sure when you're cutting, you always curl your fingers to prevent cutting yourself. Alright, now we're gonna crack the eggs to scramble them. Now we're gonna make the scrambled eggs. First, you gotta whisk them. Then, put about a teaspoon amount of vegetable oil so they don't stick to the pan. Then once you let the vegetable oil sit for a little bit, add the eggs. Move it around so it doesn't stick to the side. Make sure to never overcook the food because then it'll end up being burned and ruining the entire meal. So right now it should be done.
Now Chef Damien will cut our onion.
Alright, now after cutting it in half and peeling the skin, we're gonna finally chop the onion.
Now we're gonna cut 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we dig in real deep. We got our butter. Roll. Oh no!
Make sure to never leave your food unattended.
Ingredients. First, we're gonna get half a cup of onion. That should be about good. Feel free to add more depending on your recipe size and servings. Look at that sizzle. Next, we get our half cup of carrots. And finally, we get our scallions. Now you're gonna leave it resting here for around 5 to 10 minutes, varying on the size.
Until tender.
Now we're gonna pour 1/3 cup of our soy sauce into our liquid measuring cup. It's very important that you get this accurate, so always keep your liquid measuring cup at eye level and make sure to pour. Now we're gonna get to adding the rice and the necessary ingredients. First, we're gonna get 4 cups of rice. We're at 2. Let's get that third. After, you're gonna add the 1/3 soy sauce that we measured. Just lather it all around. Make sure you get it deep in there. If necessary, grab a spoon, start mixing it up already, you know. It should all settle in really nicely together. Next, we're gonna add our garlic powder. So we're gonna get around a 1/4 and another 1/4, so half in total. And obviously, you're gonna keep mixing it in, you know. And now we're gonna add our black pepper. There we go. Make sure to distribute it.
Now we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of ham.
And our eggs. Look at that.
So beautiful. There we go. Yes.
Now that we've added our green sprouts to our vegetables, we're gonna add it into the fried rice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Make sure you keep the food hot to serve and don't leave it out for more than 4 hours or it will lead to harmful bacteria.
After you're done cooking, pick up after yourself and don't leave the kitchen dirty. See, now I'm gonna break a few scallions over for a nice garnish. And voila, look at this beauty.
Our final product.